Hi there and welcome to another Parker's Prestige showcase. So today you're joining me on the world-class Calcot Park Golf Course. So we're on Broadlands Close, beautiful cul-de-sac set on the course. The property that we're looking at here was completely renovated by the current owners. The project finished in 2021. The result is a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom, well in excess of 4,000 square foot home, which is beautiful throughout. So we have the checklist for this level of property. Every single box is ticked. So why don't you join me and have a look around now. From the vaulted entrance hall through to this absolutely stunning kitchen reception hub that this home has, every bit of the accommodation has been thought out and planned by the owner and their architect. So beyond here we have an office with his and hers workspaces, a snug beyond. This room and the snug have both got log burning fires, so great for atmosphere and cozy evenings. Obviously we open out onto the garden here. So to the side of me, beyond, we have an annex for multi-generational living. Upstairs, we have 4 further bedrooms, all with en-suites, and the principal bedroom has got his and her walk-in wardrobes that lead through to a dressing room and an en-suite. Again, all beautifully appointed throughout. One of the many USPs for the property is obviously the location, but the plot as well. So the plot itself measures 0.4 acres in total. To the rear here, we've got 140 foot directly south facing with stunning views out across the golf course itself. So the owners have put a lot of thought into actually taking advantage of the plot, of the position, of the outlook. So we've got tiered terraces here that take advantage of obviously great inside outside living here off the kitchen breakfast area. We've got another level where you've got built-in seating and a fire pit, and then an expansive lawn that tails down towards the golf course that really takes advantage of the outlook here. So thank you so much for joining me for this tour today. It's been a real privilege showing you around this gorgeous home. We would love to show you around the inside, so please comment below, give us a call here on the office number provided below. Speak to me. I'd love to show you around this gorgeous home. Thanks.